The 2026 Honda Pilot arrives as a full-size SUV that blends family practicality with modern sophistication, bringing an evolved design, upgraded tech, and a refined driving experience that sets a new benchmark for its class. From the very first glance, the Pilot looks more confident than ever. A bold, upright front grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines give it a commanding presence on the road. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic curves aren't just for looks. They enhance airflow and improve fuel efficiency, proving that style and substance can go hand in hand. Under the hood, the 2026 Pilot packs a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering around 285 horsepower with smooth, responsive acceleration. Whether you're merging onto the highway or navigating steep mountain roads, the Pilot provides ample power while maintaining a refined, quiet ride. The optional all-wheel drive system, known as Honda's iVTM4, adapts intelligently to changing road conditions, giving you confidence on slippery or uneven terrain. For adventure seekers, the Trail Sport trim adds extra off-road capability with higher ground clearance, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making it a family SUV that's just as comfortable on dirt trails as it is in city traffic. Inside, the 2026 Honda Pilot feels more luxurious and user-friendly than ever. Step in, and you're greeted with a spacious, well-thought-out cabin that comfortably seats up to 8 passengers. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and elegant finishes create a premium feel, while smart storage solutions and multiple USB-C ports make every trip easier. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, adding to the open, airy vibe. The second-row seats slide and fold effortlessly, giving quick access to the third row, which now offers genuine adult comfort, not just a space for kids. The technology suite in the 2026 Pilot is equally impressive. The centerpiece is a large 12.3-inch touchscreen display featuring Honda's latest infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital driver display provides crisp visuals for navigation, vehicle information, and safety alerts. The available head-up display projects key data right onto the windshield, so your eyes stay on the road. For audiophiles, the premium Bose sound system fills the cabin with clear, immersive audio that enhances every journey. When it comes to safety, Honda continues its reputation for excellence. The Pilot includes the latest version of the Honda Sensing Suite, which brings adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, traffic jam assist, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. The addition of a 360-degree camera system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert gives you peace of mind from every angle. On the road, the Pilot delivers a refined and balanced performance. The suspension has been retuned for better comfort and control, making long drives feel effortless. The steering feels light in the city but precise on the highway, while the improved sound insulation keeps wind and road noise to a minimum. Despite its size, the Pilot maneuvers gracefully, offering the ease of a smaller SUV with the utility of a large one. Fuel efficiency remains strong for its class, with the 2026 Pilot achieving an estimated 23 miles per gallon combined. Impressive for an SUV that can tow up to 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. This makes it not only a capable family vehicle, but also a great companion for weekend getaways, boats, or trailers. Design-wise, Honda has clearly paid attention to detail. The rear features sleek LED taillights and a wider stance, emphasizing stability and strength. The hands-free power tailgate adds convenience when your hands are full, and the hidden storage compartments under the floor are perfect for securing valuable items out of sight. The 2026 Honda Pilot stands out because it doesn't try too hard. It simply delivers what modern families need: space, technology, safety, and versatility, all wrapped in a refined package. It's an SUV that feels ready for anything, from daily school runs to cross-country road trips. Honda has taken everything people loved about the Pilot and made it smarter, tougher, and more stylish, without losing the reliability and comfort it's known for. Whether you're a parent needing room for kids and gear, a traveler craving adventure, or someone who just appreciates a quiet, powerful, and beautifully built SUV, the 2026 Honda Pilot deserves your attention. It's not just a vehicle. It's a reminder that practicality can still feel premium and that every journey, big or small, should be enjoyed in comfort and confidence.